Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 300 with ABS brakes. This beautiful lightweight red Kawasaki twin cylinder 300 just arrived with only 8,600 miles. Gorgeous condition, one owner bike. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true with this fuel injected 300cc Ninja. She's really got a great curb appeal. Priced to sell quickly at just $39.99. Come on by, check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.